Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at whether or not you can bring a claim for compensation for a burn injury. Not only that, but I'll also be going over how you can strengthen your claim. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you sustained a burn injury as a result of an accident, you may be wondering whether or not you can bring a claim for compensation. Now, the reason that someone would be able to bring a successful claim for a burn injury would be if the burn was caused by the fault of a third party. There are, unfortunately, numerous ways that someone could be burned. For instance, a hot water spillage at work, burns from a faulty product like an e-cigarette or a charger, or even as a result of being in a serious road traffic accident. But the good news is, if you've sustained a burn injury in an accident that wasn't your fault, then you may be entitled to compensation. In order to bring a successful claim, here's a couple of things that we recommend you do. You should reach out to a personal injury claim specialist like legalexpert.co.uk. We are happy to offer anyone who is considering a burn injury compensation claim a completely free consultation where we'll go through your accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can contact us on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and if we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you in your burn injury claim on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there'll be no upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, in regards to things that you can take away from this video that may help, you should look to do the following. Take photographs at the scene of the accident, as well as what it was that specifically caused the accident. Take photographs of your burns. Do this over the course of a couple of days/weeks to show the extent of your injuries over time. Have your injuries assessed by a medical professional and make a note of when and where this happened, as this will make it a lot easier to get hold of records further down the line. If you've incurred any expenses because of your burn injury, then you should keep track of all of these, as they may be claimed back. These can include any travel expenses, medical expenses, care costs, the cost of any personal items that were damaged in the accident, as well as any loss of income from time off work or potential future earnings. If anybody witnessed your accident, you should ask them for their contact details, as a statement in support of your case may need to be taken. And if the accident happened at work or a place of business like a shop, bar or restaurant, you should ensure that staff are aware of the accident and have them complete an accident report in the site's accident report book. Check this over at the time to ensure no vital details have been left out, and ask that a copy of the CCTV is kept for reference at a later date. You should also make a note of which members of staff you dealt with. Now, once again, if you find this video helpful, we really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.